I've been working from home for almost 1 year. Being stuck at home most all the time, I need to have my own space to be more productive. To increase my productivity, iPhone Ultrawide monitor is the best choice. As a designer, iPhone Ultrawide monitor is really good for productivity tasks such as like video editing, design, and also writing. I've been researching a lot for ultrawide monitor, but usually good ultrawide monitor always come with expensive price. Then I found this ultrawide monitor from Xiaomi. It has a VA panel, 1440p, 4 millisecond response time, 144 refresh rate, sRGB 121%, and there is AMD FreeSync. The price is only about $400. It is considerably cheap if we compare with other competitors such as like LG, Samsung, and Dell. With this all feature given, I think this monitor is a budget option. So I decided to pick this monitor from a couple weeks ago. Hey, my name is Ferik Tatomi. If you don't know about me, I'm a full-time interaction designer and also a content creator. I love to talk about desk setup and tech in general, so if you're interested with my content, you can also follow me on Instagram. So in this video, we're going to take a look on Xiaomi 34 ultrawide monitor and let's see how it looks like. On the packaging, you will get a manual, AC adapter cable, display port cable, and finally the monitor itself. Attaching the monitor with the stand is so simple because the bracket stand has an easy lock function. You just need to attach the monitor and there will be a click sound. And this should be good to go. This monitor is VESA compatible, which means you can use any VESA bracket if you are planning to put it on the wall or you want to use it with monitor arm. The monitor is about 8 kg with stand and 6 kg without a stand. In terms of design, the monitors look very minimal. The display has a matte finish and it has quite thin bezel. It is about 1 cm on the side and about 2 cm on the bottom side. There is a Mi logo on the back of the monitor and you will not find any logo on front bezel, which is super minimal and I love it. It has 1500R curve radius, which is good enough for reducing eye strain and also distortion. On the back of the monitor, there are two HDMI 2.0, two DisplayPort 1.4, and one 3.5mm headphone jack. Unfortunately, there is no USB-C. The bracket stand is made from metal and the finishing was great. And the best part of it, it looked very minimal. There is magnetic cover on the back of the monitor, which is very surprisingly to get considering the price. You can actually pull the magnetic cover on the back of the stand for hiding cables, which make the overall setup looks very clean. The bracket stand also support tilting and also lifting. I think Xiaomi did a really good job by providing this premium feature while keeping the price is still relatively low. Also, there are 5 physical buttons on the back of the monitor. The OSD menu is simple and straightforward. You can actually change the language to both Chinese and also English. On OSD menu, you can control important settings such as like picture settings, brightness, contrast, and also freezing. Talking about the display, even though it is a VA panel, I found the display is amazing for the price. The resolution is up 3440 x 1440p. The font looks sharp and the image is excellent. And also don't forget this monitor doesn't have any HDR. Xiaomi mentioned this monitor has a 16 million color and sRGB 121%. Even though I'm not a color grade artist, I could say the color is quite accurate. Although it is a VA panel, it still delivers amazing color and also the contrast. So I hope it answers some doubt because I know some people are a bit skeptic of a VA panel. The monitor has a low blue light mode for reducing the blue light and also the flicker. Also, it will reduce eye strain while using this monitor for long session. To connect my MacBook to monitor, I need to use USB-C to DisplayPort cable. So the downside is I need to add one more cable to charge my MacBook. For video editing, I think this monitor is really perfect to get the entire timeline. So you will get easier to edit the video and also you reduce the amount of horizontal scroll. In terms of performance, I don't have any issue playing game with this monitor. Although I'm not gaming a lot, playing the game with this monitor is immersive. On 21:9 aspect ratio, I can get more realistic horizontal resolution. In some games, it can be advantage, especially on FPS games such as like Overwatch. With 144Hz, the game will run super smooth and no hiccup at all. But also you need to have higher end PC. Watching movie on this monitor is cinematic and also immersive, especially on some movies which are using 21:9 aspect ratio. On YouTube, it is mostly 16:9 aspect ratio, so you will get black bar on the left and also the right side. There are several features that I wish, such as like HDR and also USB-C. But again, with this all feature and price given, I think this will be perfect budget ultrawide monitor. You can use it for gaming and also productivity. So you get both of the best thing here. Also, don't forget it looks very minimal and I love it. So what do you think about this monitor? Let me know your thought in the comment down below. That's it about the video. If you're interested with this monitor, I will put links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content. It does really help me out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe more.